we had a $35 credit on our flowerknows account, and it was going to expire at the end of the month, so we hurried up to use it. We decided to get another mystery box. We got a $30 mystery box. So let's see what we got. We got a makeup remover wipe in a package. We'll have to try it and let you know. I could not find a value for this one when I was looking on their website. I did notice, though, when I was looking around, Ulta carries the flowerknows products. You can't get a mystery box from them, but you can get some of their products. That's nice to know. Yeah, depending upon how you want to earn or spend your Ulta points. We got a package, and there's 2 of them. Little powder puffs. Yes, little powder puffs, says flowerknows on it. There's a package of 2 of them, nice and soft. These will be good for patting in under eye makeup. I thought this was just too stinking cute. It's a little case for your credit card, driver's license, cash, whatever you need to carry around. I like the little heart on it and the bow on the front. Yeah, I thought this was precious and too stinking cute. We have the little heart right there. We have the bow on the front. It opens up with a zipper so you can stuff inside whatever you need to put in there, and then space on the back to hold driver's license or credit card or whatever. It is slim enough that you could put it in the back pocket of your jeans if you feel comfortable walking around with all that information in the back pocket of your jeans. Personally, that's not my way of carrying this, but this won't take up much space in backpack or pocketbook. And then we got 2 makeup items from the Butterfly Cloud collection. This is a lipstick, and the packaging. I mean, it even says flowerknows, I don't know if it's right side up or upside down, on the top, and then very well done in the packaging department. It reminds me a lot of when I got the ZC Cosmetics box, or if ZC and P. Louise were to have a baby, this is what it would be. This is in the shade, I wrote it down somewhere, I know I did, Red Bean. Now, their version of red and my version of red, I think, are 2 different things. To me, this looks a little bit more on the maroon side. However, their products tend to sheer out or blend out to be a lighter shade than what is presented in the container. In any case, I'm happy to have it. That has a retail of approximately $20, unless of course it's also on sale for $14. Yeah, some of their stuff is on sale. And we also got the Butterfly Cloud Highlighter Blush in shade 2. That is somewhere between regular price of $26 or sale price of $18.20. This is the front of it. Too stinking cute. Yes, just precious. That's the top of it. The inside even has engraving and decoration. And this is the blush and the highlighter. Very well done. Very well done. And their products are a lighter shade than what we usually would do, but this would be for me, good for an everyday makeup. For YouTube, I tend to go a little heavy-handed just because the ring light washes me out. Anyway, I digress. This is very well done, very well put together. Did you see something that you liked? Let me know, let me know. And like we said, apparently Ulta does carry some of these products. On the flowerknows website, this was a $30 mystery bag, supposed to have 4 items in it. We got a couple extra. They're supposed to have a retail of $15 each. I couldn't find some of those filler items. I couldn't find that on the website. If you even took the sale prices on the average, that's $15. If you took their regular prices each, that's way more, or a bit more, $5 to $10 more. So I think either way, I feel like we got our value. Because again, we were using a $35 store credit because there was that delivery fiasco the last time we ordered a Mysterybox. And they were very generous with giving us $35. I had only asked to have the previous delivery fee refunded, which I believe was in the vicinity of $15. They were very generous because of the inconvenience that I had to go hiking around my condo complex in the rain and the cold to track this thing down. So they were very generous and gave us a $35 credit. They didn't have to do that. They could have said, okay, it got misdelivered. Well, you got it back. Fine, here's $15 because you had to deliver it, so to speak, yourself. They were very generous. I cannot complain in the least. So basically, all we paid was $7 and change. That basically covered the shipping. The rest of the cost was covered by the gift card for the box and for taxes. We cannot complain. We really cannot. No, I cannot. Thanks for watching today. We hope you saw something that you liked. We hope you want to come back and watch more. We have fun videos over here. You don't want to miss out. Subscribe, like, comment, and notification bell. And we do hope to see you again. Catch you later.